Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Let's talk about one of the most timeless exercises out there, the push-up. It's simple, it's effective, and you can do it anywhere, no gym required. But if you're cranking out the same old push-ups day after day, you might be ready to shake things up. That's where push-up variations come in. From beginner-friendly tweaks to moves that'll make your muscles quake, these twists on the classic will keep your workouts fresh, fun, and fierce. So, grab a spot on the floor, and let's explore the wild world of push-up variations. Why push-ups rule, and why variations matter. First, a quick love letter to the push-up. It's a total body MVP. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all get in on the action, and it's a killer way to build strength without fancy gear. But here's the thing, doing the same version forever can get boring, and your gains might plateau. Variations? They're like remixing your favorite song. They hit different muscles, boost intensity, and keep you hooked. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, there's a push-up variation with your name on it. Let's dive into the variations. Buckle up, we're covering a lineup of push-up variations, from easy to are you serious levels. I'll break each one down, how to do it, what it targets, and why it's awesome. Ready? Let's go! Knee push-ups, beginner boost. How? Drop to your knees, hands shoulder width apart, lower your chest, and push back up. Targets, chest, shoulders, triceps, lighter load than standard push-ups. Why it's great, perfect for beginners or anyone building confidence. It cuts the weight you're lifting by about half, so you can nail form before going full plank. Aim for 10 to 15 reps and feel the groove. Wide push-ups, chest expander. How? Place hands wider than shoulder width, lower down, and push up. Targets, extra emphasis on your chest, pectorals, and shoulders. Why it's great, want a broader chest? This is your move. It stretches those pecs wider and adds a little swagger to your upper body. Try 3 sets of 12 to 15. Diamond push-ups, tricep blaster. How? Form a diamond with your thumbs and index fingers under your chest, lower, and push. Targets, triceps take the spotlight, with chest and shoulders as backup. Why it's great, if you want arms that pop, this is it. It's tough, your triceps will burn, but oh so rewarding. Start with 5 to 10 reps and build up. Plyometric push-ups, explosive power. How? Push up hard enough that your hands leave the ground, land, and repeat. Bonus points for a mid-air clap. Targets, chest, shoulders, triceps, plus fast twitch muscle fibers for speed. Why it's great, this turns a strength move into a cardio party. It's all about explosive power, think athletes and action heroes. Go for 3 sets of 8 to 12 and feel the rush. Archer push-ups, one arm prep. How? Hands wide, shift weight to one arm while the other stays straight, lower, and switch sides. Targets, chest, shoulders, triceps, one side dominates at a time. Why it's great, it's like a bridge to the one-arm push-up. You'll feel ninja-like balancing that weight. Aim for 6 to 10 per side, your arms will thank, or curse, you later. One-arm push-ups, ultimate challenge. How? One hand behind your back or off the ground, feet wide, lower and push with one arm. Targets, everything chest, triceps, shoulders, core, but one side carries the load. Why it's great, this is the holy grail of push-ups. It's a strength and stability test that screams I've arrived. Start with 1 to 3 reps per side, progress is king here. Pike push-ups, shoulder sculptor. How? Hips high in a V-shape, head toward the floor, lower your crown, and push back. Targets, shoulders and upper chest, with triceps assisting. Why it's great, want bolder shoulders? This preps you for handstands while torching your delts. Do 10 to 15 reps and feel the burn up top. Spider-Man push-ups, core crusher. How? As you lower, bring one knee toward your elbow, alternate sides with each rep. Targets, chest, triceps, plus obliques and hip flexors. Why it's great, it's a core workout disguised as a push-up. You'll feel agile and strong, like a superhero scaling walls. Try 8 to 12 per side. Clap push-ups, advanced plyo. How? Explode up, clap hands mid-air, land, and go again. Targets, chest, shoulders, triceps amped up power focus. Why it's great, it's plyometric push-ups on steroids. Speed, coordination, and strength collide. Shoot for 5 to 10 reps, quality over quantity. Superman push UPS, showstopper. How? Push off so your whole body goes airborne, arms forward, legs back, land, repeat. Targets, full body, chest, shoulders, core, even legs get a cameo. Why it's great? It's less a push-up, more a flight simulation. Only the fittest nail this. Aim for 3 to 5 reps and bask in the glory. How to mix them into your routine. Don't just pick one, blend these bad boys. Here's a sample plan. Beginner, knee, 3x10, wide, 3x10, diamond, 3x5, rest 60 seconds between sets. Intermediate, plyo, 3x10, archer, 3x8/side, pike, 3x12, 45-second rests. Advanced, one arm, 3x3/side, Spider-Man, 3x10/side, Superman, 3x5, 30-second rests. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and watch your strength soar. Tips for success. Form first. Speed and flare mean nothing if you're sagging or half-repping. Keep it clean. Progress smart. Start where you're comfy. Knee push-ups aren't weak, they're strategic. Warm up. 5 minutes of arm swings, jumping jacks, or light push-ups preps you. Rest up. Muscles grow when you recover, don't overdo it. Stretch post-workout, too. Why I love these. I'll let you in on a secret. I used to dread push-ups, same old, same old. Then I tried diamonds, and my triceps woke up. Plyos got my heart racing, and one-arm attempts humbled me fast. Now, I mix them weekly, and every session feels like a mini-adventure. Last week, I hit my first clap push-up, nearly clapped my own face, but I stuck the landing. What'll your favorite be? The payoff. Push-up variations don't just build muscle, they build versatility. You'll get stronger, tougher, and more confident. Plus, you've got endless options to flex, literally and figuratively. Imagine casually dropping into a Spider-Man push-up at the park while your friends gawk. That's the vibe. Your challenge. Pick one variation, anyone, and try it today. Maybe 10 wide push-ups or 5 archers per side. Film it, time it, or just feel it out. Then tell me, which one's your jam? How'd it go? Let's turn push-ups into your playground. Get after it. This script is loaded with variety, instructions, and enthusiasm, perfect for a video, blog, or workout guide. Let me know if you'd like it longer or tweaked.